Here is a person who wants a big show. He has come on an elephant and horses and drums and musicians and this and that, carrying a Vijay Patra. कौन है मेरे सामने कौन आएगा? If I defeat him in public, what happens to a person who gets defeated in public? In the Gita, Lord Krishna is telling Arjun, he says, Akirtir maranad atirichyate. Akirti for a glorified person, when defaming becomes worse than death, maranad atirichyate. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, he's such a big scholar, he's proud of his knowledge, and if I defeat him in public the way he wants it to happen, he will get crushed and he will die in lamentation. Shok ki agni mein ye jal jayega, and the purpose of my avatar is not to kill. Did Ram kill demons? Yes. Did Krishna kill demons? Yes. Did Parshuram kill somebody? Yes. How many demons did Lord Chaitanya kill? Lord Chaitanya did not kill demons, because if he started killing demons, this planet would have become only an animal planet. So Lord Chaitanya said, I am going to kill not the demons but the demoniac mentality within. Yes. And he also has a demoniac mentality of garva, pride, but he did not want to kill him. So he's saying, I have to devise a way by which I need to smash his pride in public. No, I have to devise a way in which I have to smash his pride in private. And now he's sitting there